Hi guys, this is Tariq. How are you doing? So we are back again with a new video. This time we have a tool to learn which is watch window. Now you must be thinking what is watch window. So you don't need to worry about it because this is the reason why we are here to discuss what watch window is all about. So guys, if you haven't yet subscribed our channel, so please do it because we already have uploaded so many videos related to Excel and we keep uploading new videos almost every week. In this video we're going to talk about the watch window. How does it work? It works like suppose you are the quality auditor and you have a criteria to match. Like suppose you have 2 or 3 criteria on a single call and you want to see all those criterias in one window. So watch window will allow you to see all those criteria in a single window. So how to do that? Let's get started. So guys, let me tell you where do we find the watch window. So to go to the watch window you have to click on the formulas, and once you click on the formula you will be able to see the watch window icon over here. Just click on this one, and there is a shortcut also for this one. The shortcut is Alt and W. Alt Monday Wednesday. The watch window will look like this when you open it. So you can delete and you can add also. So the maximum number of cells we can add is 6. The maximum 6 cells we can add in the watch window. Let's suppose I am the quality auditor and I just want to, I have 4 criteria to meet on a single call. So the first criteria is on sheet 1, which is opening check. So I just click on this one and that's how I can add it. So that shows the sheet 1 where exactly this particular value available in my sheet in my workbook. It is in sheet 1 and it is the cell number is F2 and what exactly the value is opening check. So the next criteria is on sheet 2 in T1. So I'll just click on add watch and select this one and click to add. And the third one is on sheet 3. That's how I can click on this one and I can add. And the fourth one is on sheet 4. So that's how I have added all the criteria in a single window. Now I can do whatever I want with this criteria. Like I have these are the call number, and I just need to check. I have opened this call and I have met all the criteria, and I'll go ahead with the next call. So that's how I can do that. So and this is how we can use watch window. So if you like this video, please subscribe our channel, and if you're watching this video on Facebook, please follow our page and like also. And if you have any suggestions for us, please leave in the comment box and we will come back again with the new videos. So till then, keep watching. Let's accelerate. Thank you very much.